A Disney trip is fast approaching, and today I'm inviting you to come along and pack my makeup with me. Want to be part of my Disney experience? Follow along on this journey with me through my packing videos and eventually going through the park. So this is part 1 of this series where, again, we're going to pack makeup. Make sure that you subscribe, that way you'll be able to see the rest of the series. And let's go ahead and get started because there's a lot to do. All right, everybody, this is everything that I am trying to pack, and it all has to fit in this one case. If you're interested in seeing more details on this case, I do have another video where I packed some makeup for my sister's wedding. I'll go ahead and link that here, as well as the description box, so go ahead and make sure you check that out. But for now, let's see how much we can actually get in here. One of the great things about this case is that it has these removable dividers. So all of these are able to come out. I think that's going to come in handy, especially with these larger items. So I think I'm going to go ahead and take one of these larger dividers out. That way I have a bigger space here. And I think in this one, I'm going to put the larger things. A little bit of a tight fit. Let's see if I can move some of this over. So in this large section, I'm going to go ahead and put this Milani eyeshadow palette. I'm not going to use that just for eyeshadows, but I also use it to fill in my brows as well. I'm also going to put in this Makeup Revolution palette. This is an eyeshadow palette. It's a small palette, but I like that it's 10. It's going to be a little bit sturdy. I really like that packaging. I'm going to put in some e.l.f. setting spray. I usually would take Milani, but that one is just too big. It's going to take up too much room. So this e.l.f. is going to be what I take, along with this e.l.f. primer here. It is their gripping primer. I do have a video if you want to see that. And then on this side, I think I'm going to put more of my liquid products. I'm going to take this Age Defying foundation. I have the shade 10 Bare Buff. I'm also going to take my Derma E Facial Oil. I use this on my brows. So I'm going to make sure I take that. What to do. I think I'm going to put my e.l.f. Camo Powder standing this way. And then my tape, which I use to kind of get that siren eye. I think I'm going to put that there. I want to go ahead and take out at least one of these small dividers. That way I can start getting some other products in. I think in this section, I definitely want to put lipsticks. I'm going to take Milani. Can you tell I like this formula? I have 2 nudes, a red, and then this Maybelline Nude. Go ahead and put those in there. Let's see, I think I need to move this one just a little bit. I think I'm going to put this NYX Bare With Me concealer over here with the other liquid products. Again, I have a video on that if you want to see more detail. I'm going to put my lip liners here with the lipsticks along with these glitter eyeliners. I'm going to take out this little divider here. I'm going to put my Benefit Bang Mascara here as well. And I'm hoping this section over here, which it does not, doesn't really fit there. Might need to move this bang over to this section somehow. I need a little more space in this corner. Now in this corner, I can put these little e.l.f. bite-sized shadows, have them in jalapeno and truffles. These I'm a little nervous about, but I'm hoping that this will keep them safe. I'm also going to take my Kiko Milano Blush Duo. That fits in there rather well, along with this Tarte Highlighter in the shade Champagne Glow. Let me adjust a little bit. So not bad, not bad. In this little section here, I just made a mess already. I'm going to put my pencil sharpener. I can get the Bang Mascara out of my way. And then I'm just going to toss in this Neutrogena sleeping mask. I use this all throughout the day, not just at night. It helps keep me moisturized. I'm going to pan you up a little bit because now what we are needing is try and use this space for some larger palettes. I want to take this Wanderlust palette. Even though it's huge, I mainly only want it for these 6 shadows here. I could not find their smaller palette that only has like 6 or 8 shadows, so I'm gonna have to take the whole thing. And then this Physicians Formula Dream Team palette, this one I'm going to take because it has the bronzer I plan to use, the blush I plan to use. I'm just kind of afraid to take this one a little bit because it's kind of just cardboard. I'm hoping that it doesn't get destroyed. So that is pretty much all the makeup that's going to fit. I do still need to put brushes in here. This Wanderlust palette is just too big. It's not going to fit. I don't know what I'm going to do with that yet. I have a little bit of time to figure something out, so we'll see. That is everything. This is what I'll be taking with me on my trip. If there's anything I kind of come across that I think I need to take, I'll see if I can squeeze it in. But for now, this is going to be it. If you want to see part 2 where I pack my toiletries and part 3 where I'm packing everything, make sure that you are subscribed. The way you'll be here when those videos go live. I hope to see you there. Bye.